I'm money. Not just paper, not just numbers on a screen. I'm time, effort, and energy stored in a form humans understand. I've lived in wallets of students, workers, parents, freelancers, entrepreneurs. I've been earned slowly, lost quickly, saved carefully, and wasted emotionally. I've seen people earn very little and keep me for decades, and I've passed straight through people who earned a lot, yet never held on to me. Today, I'll finally tell you why I keep leaving your wallet. When I say I keep leaving your wallet, it's not personal, it's behavioral. I respond to patterns, and once you understand these patterns, money will stop being a source of stress and will start to seem predictable. Let me show you the mistakes that constantly turn me off. Mistake number 1. You treat me like I'm infinite. Every month I arrive. Salary, income, payment, and every month you relax. You tell yourself, it's fine, I'll earn more. It's just a small expense. But here's the truth most people hate hearing. I don't disappear in one big mistake. I disappear quietly. A coffee here, a delivery fee there, a subscription you forgot existed. You never notice the moment I leave. You only notice when I'm already gone. People who keep money understand something simple. Small amounts are not small. They are training units. How you treat $10 is how you'll treat $1,000. How you treat $1,000 is how you'll treat $100,000. Disrespect the small version of me, and the big version never shows up. Mistake number 2. You don't give me a job. Let me ask you something important. When I enter your wallet, what am I supposed to do? Sit there? Wait for emotions? Disappear slowly? Money without a job gets bored, and bored money leaves. People who keep me always decide before I arrive. How much I save, how much I invest, how much I spend, how much I protect. People who lose me decide after I arrive, usually based on mood. Structure makes me calm. Systems make me stay. If you don't tell me where to go, I'll find my own exit. Mistake number 3. You spend me emotionally. This one is dangerous. Bad day, you spend me. Good day, you reward yourself. Stressed, bored, tired, excited? Different emotions, same action. Swipe. Emotional spending feels good for minutes and expensive for years. Fear makes you panic. Greed makes you rush. Ego makes you show off. And every time emotions drive decisions, logic leaves the room and I follow. People who build wealth don't eliminate emotions. They build rules that protect money from emotions. Rules keep me safe. Feelings push me out. Mistake number 4. You confuse looking rich with being safe. Let me be honest with you. Many people don't want wealth. They want validation. So they spend me on symbols, cars, phones, clothes, status. I've seen flashy lifestyles with empty savings and modest lives with total financial control. Here's the difference. Looking rich costs money every day. Being secure saves money every day. I don't stay where I'm used to impress strangers. I stay where I'm used to build freedom. Mistake number 5. You don't track me. You know where your phone is. You know where your keys are. But me? No idea where it went. If you don't know where I go, you can't expect me to stay. Tracking money isn't restrictive, it's respectful. The moment you start watching me, I behave differently. You stop asking, "Where did my money go?" and start saying, "I decide where my money goes." That shift alone keeps me around longer than most raises. Mistake number 6. You expect me to fix your life. This one hurts. You think more money will fix bad habits, poor planning, and emotional decisions. It won't. More money only magnifies who you already are. If you leak money now, you'll leak more later. If you chase comfort now, you'll chase bigger comfort later. I don't fix systems, I follow them. Fix habits first, and I multiply naturally. Mistake number 7. You wait too long to learn about me. You tell yourself, "I'll deal with money later, once I earn more, one day." But time is my secret ingredient. The earlier you understand me, the more powerful I become. Delay doesn't pause the game, it quietly works against you. Doing nothing is still a decision, and it slowly pushes me away. How to make me stay. Now the good news. I'm not complicated. I'm not emotional. I'm not unpredictable. I stay when I'm respected, I'm planned, I'm automated, I'm given time. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. Small actions, boring systems, long timelines. That's where I grow best. Final message and outro. Look, I'm not magic. I don't judge you. I react. Treat money randomly, and it behaves randomly. Give it structure, and it becomes predictable. Most money problems aren't income problems, they're system problems. So next time you ask, "Why do I keep losing money?" remember this: you didn't lose me, you trained me to leave. Treat me differently, and I'll stay longer than you ever imagined. I'll see you right where I belong.